Hello, welcome to Anshika S Academy, and this is the series of Tamil Nadu Board History 12th class. In this video, we will cover chapter number 23, the formation of the Counter Reformation. Learning objectives of this chapter are mainly 6 topics that we will cover in this video. The causes for the Reformation, Martin Luther's contribution to the Reformation, Ulrich Zwingli and the Reformation in Switzerland, John Calvin and his contribution to the Reformation, Counter-Reformation, the results of the Reformation. The term Reformation refers to a great religious reform movement in Europe during 16th century. There was a big protest against the Christian church in different parts of Europe, and it ultimately resulted in the emergence of Protestant Christian religion. This great religious movement was not only the evidence of a great religious sense but also proclaimed the dawn of a new era. The Reformation started in Germany and later it spread to other countries. Causes for the Reformation. There are several causes for the Reformation. The Christian Church under the Pope was originally commanded respect among the people, but in the Middle Ages it had become a big federal institution and possessed so much of lands and well, the popes enjoyed great political influence and interfered into the political affairs. As a result, they began to neglect the spiritual duties. The pope and the clergy began to lead luxurious lives. The popes like Alexander VI, Julius II, and Leo X, who lived in 15th and 16th centuries, with their activities undermined the respect and prestige of the church. The Renaissance movement created a spirit of inquiry among the masses. They began to read the Bible and realize that the activities of church and the clergy was not according to the prospects of the Holy Book. In the years preceding the Reformation, many writers condemned luxurious and superstitious practices prevalent in the church. John Wycliffe 1330 से 84 from England criticized the Pope for his authority and misdeeds. He translated the Bible into English. He is considered the morning star of Reformation. Erasmus 1466 से 1536 attacked the superstitions followed by the clergy in his book In Praise of Holy. It was published in 1509. John Huss 1369 से 1415 a Bohemian struggled for reforming the church and the burnt of death. These early efforts to reform the church showed the seeds for the Reformation of the 16th century. The emergence of nation-state in Europe eroded the political influence enjoyed by the church during the Middle Ages. The Pope and the Emperor lost their influence and power. The people began to respect their king and the nation. Therefore, the concept of universal church slowly gave way to national churches. Martin Luther 1483 से 1546. The Reformation started in Germany and it was led by Martin Luther. Martin Luther was born in Eisleben on November 10, 1483. Luther was educated at the University of Erfurt. He became a monk in 1508. In November 1510, he visited Rome. He was shocked to see the worldly life led by the Roman clergy. In 1512, he received his doctorate. In 1512, he received his doctorate in theology from Wittenberg University. He began his career as a professor of theology in the same university. Thereafter, Luther began a systematic campaign for the removal of evils of the church. In 1517, Pope Leo X sent John Tetzel to Germany to sell indulgences for the purpose of raising money to renovate the St. Peter's Church at Rome. An indulgence was originally meant a promise given to a sinner for the remission of punishment if he repented and confessed his sins. But Pope Leo X used to sale of indulgence of raise money. Therefore, Luther opposed the practice of sale of indulgences. When John Tetzel visited Wittenberg, Luther listed the abuse of indulgence in his 95 Theses and nailed it to the doors of the church. Pope Leo X got alarmed and excommunicated Luther in January 1521. Luther burnt his order in public. Then the Pope appealed to Charles V, the Holy Roman Emperor, to punish Luther for his writings against the church. But Luther had the support of the German princes. However, he appeared before Emperor Charles V At the Diet of Worms in April 1521, Luther was proclaimed guilty, but before his imprisonment, he was escorted by his friends and kept at Wartburg Castle. There, he translated New Testament from original Greek into German language. He published his most popular book, The Small the Small Catechism, in 1529. Luther led a life of seclusion till his death in 1546. When the rural people of Germany joined this religious protest, it became the Peasants' War of 1525. The revolt of peasants was suppressed with an iron hand. Many peasants were massacred in the Diet of Spires, which met in 1526. The religious question was raised again by the German princes. The Diet gave permission to the princes of choice their own religion, but Emperor Charles V revoked this decision in 1529. And therefore, the German princes drew up a protest, and they came to be known as Protestants. It was only in the Peace of Augsburg in 1555 formal approval was given by the emperor to the princes either to remain Catholic or Lutheran. It gave recognition only to Lutheran sect and not the Zwinglianism or Calvinism. Ulrich Zwingli 1484 से 1531. Ulrich Zwingli paved the way for the Reformation in Switzerland. He was contemporary of Martin Luther. Born in a rich family in Switzerland, he became a priest in the Zurich canton in 1502. He attacked abuses of the church, such as the sale of indulgences. He spoke openly that the clergy should strictly follow the principles of the Bible. Samson was sent to Zurich by the Pope of sell the indulgences. It was opposed by Zwingli. Thereafter, his preaching was directed against the leadership of the Pope, the excessive veneration of saints, the celibacy of the priest student fasting. His stand against the celibacy was opposed by the Bishop of Constance. The city council voted in favor of Zwingli and against the bishop. Thus, Zurich adopted the Reformation in 1523. Pope sent an order excommunicating Zwingli, but the Zurich canton announced its separation from the church. 5 other cantons declared a war against Zurich, in which Zwingli was killed in 1531. Finally, an agreement was reached between the cantons by which each canton was given freedom to choose their religious sect. John Calvin 1509 से 1564. The French Protestant reformer John Calvin was born in France. He studied humanities and law at the University of Paris. He obtained in 1532 Doctor of Law. His first published work was Commentary on Roman philosopher Seneca's De Clementia. In 1536, he settled in Geneva. His main teachings are that the Bible alone is the final authority for matters of faith and that salvation is attained purely through grace. He subscribes to the doctrine of the absolute foreknowledge and the determining power of God. Calvin published his religious doctrines as a book called The Institutes of Christian Religion. His religious sect was known as Calvinism. He became the head of the church in Geneva. He established several schools for the spread of education. He was also the founder of the University of Geneva. Calvinism had spread to many parts of the Europe. Reformation in England. King Henry VIII of England initially opposed Martin Luther and supported the Pope. He was called the defender of faith by Pope Leo X. This relationship with the Pope broke down with the Pope refused to permit King Henry VIII to marry Anne Boleyn. After divorcing his queen, he asked the parliament to pass an act of supremacy in 1534 by which the king was made the head of the Church of England. This new church, independent of the authority of Pope, was called the Anglican Church. Henry VIII did not introduce any changes in the Catholic doctrines, but the Anglican Church became really Protestant. In the reign of Edward VI, 1547-1553, the service books were translated into English. Counter-Reformation. The success of Reformation movement created a great awe and fear in the Roman Catholic Church. Before things went out of control, It took drastic measures to check the spread of the Protestant religion and also to carry out reforms within itself. This process was known as Counter-Reformation. Ignatius Loyola 1491 से 1556 was a Spanish soldier and lost his legs in a war. Thereafter, he decided to contribute his might to the cause of Roman Catholic Church. Loyola founded the Society of Jesus in 1534 and it was recognized by the Pope. The aim of this society was to reform and restore the glory of the Catholic Church. Members of the society were known as Jesuits. They worked hard to earn good name for the Catholic Church through their dedicated service. They established schools and colleges in several parts of the world. They achieved a remarkable success in their missionary activities. They remained faithful to the Pope and the Catholic religion. The Council of Trent 1545 से 1563 introduced several reforms in the Catholic Church. The most glaring abuses of clergy were removed. Celibacy was strictly enforced for them. The sale of offices was stopped. The practice of the sale of indulgences was abolished. It also stressed that clergy adhere more strictly to their duties. The Pope was recognized as the supreme authority in the matters of religion. An index consisting of the list of dangerous and heretical books was issued by the church. The Catholics were prohibited from reading these books. Similarly, the medieval practice of ecclesiastical court of inquisition was revived. Torture was used to extract confessions. Severe punishments such as burning to death were employed against the enemies of the church. The success of the Counter-Reformation can be understood from the fact that the rapid spread of Protestantism was halted. Southern Germany, France, Poland, some of the Swiss cantons and Savoys were brought back to the Catholic faith. At the same time, Protestantism was driven out of Italy and Spain. And the Roman Catholic Church is still one of the greatest religious organizations in the world. Important historical events of Reformation. 1492 कोलंबस comes Bahama Islands and Cuba for Spain. 1517 Martin Luther writes the 95 Thesis. 1522 Luther translates the Bible into German. 1525 Peasant uprising in Germany. 1559 Anglican Church established in England with the King or Queen as its head. Effects of Reformation. The important results of the Reformation were: the Reformation led to the two major divisions in Christianity, Catholics and Protestants. This division had resulted in religious persecutions and religious wars. Germany and in other parts of the Europe, people were encouraged to read the Bible and ponder on religion. The freedom given by the Protestant to interpret the Bible led to the free thinking. It encouraged the development of art, literature and science. The democratic church system paved the way for the growth of democracy and nationalism. The nations began to evolve their own churches. The place of Pope was taken by the nationalistic churches. The rapid progress of the Protestant religion and the Counter-Reformation ultimately resulted in the purification of the church. Both Catholics and Protestants began to adopt high moral standards. After the Reformation, the Catholics purified their church establishment and this in turn improved the values in the society. Learning outcome of this chapter are: the abuses in the church and other factors led to the Reformation, the life and work of Martin Luther in bringing the Reformation in Germany, the role of John Calvin and Ulrich Zwingli in the Reformation, the process of Counter-Reformation and the role of Ignatius Loyola, the results of the Reformation. Thanks for watching.